Hey guys, I'm Nick and this is Tech Space. Now in this video, I'm gonna give you some great tips and tricks on how you can transform any bedroom, desk space, or studio with great RGB lighting. Now, if you don't believe me, this is what my room looks like without any RGB lights. Wow, what a difference, right? Maybe we should turn the lights back on? Okay, let's do it. That's better. Now, in this video, I'm gonna talk about some great products I use in this studio right here, but also some new products that will help you create some epic looks in your own bedroom or desk space. So why don't we jump straight into the video? The first product I wanted to talk about is LED light strips. Now, there's a lot of great brands out there that make LED strips, so you really need to see what will fit best for you and your budget. Now, I would highly recommend getting smart LED light strips. Now, these are the lights that are connected and controlled by an app. Now, most of the time when you buy cheap LED strips off Amazon, they only come with a cheap remote that gives you basic colors. And most of the time the battery is flat and the lights always break and are really just rubbish. Now, when you buy smart LED lights, use an app on your phone to control the lights and connect them over the internet. You also get a lot of smart controls over things like colors with thousands of colors to choose from within the app. Unlike the remote that has very limited color options for you to choose from. You can also use voice activation through Alexa or Google Assistant to tell the lights to turn on or off, or even change colors. Now, all the apps that come with these lights have animated presets, so you can create some really cool looks within your lights. Now, there's 3 brands that I would highly recommend that have different price points, but all make great light strips and are worth checking out. Now, these brands are Govee, Kasa Smart, and Lifx. Now, I've chosen to use Lifx color strips in my studio space right here, just because currently it's an Australian brand and I like to support businesses from my home country. But the other 2 brands make great light strips as well, so they're definitely worth checking out. So what I've done to create a really cool look in my space is actually to run LED strips along the back side of my desk. Now, this is a great way to have light shine up on the wall and almost frame your desk. So on the back of the light strips, you have this adhesive that allows you to stick the light strips to the edge of your desk. Now, depending on the length of your desk and the strips that you've bought, you can just have this run along the back side of your desk, or you can run it all the way along the 3 sides of your desk like I have. As you can see with just this simple light, you can create a pretty rad look. But one of my biggest tips when working with exposed LED strips like this is you always want to hide your strips behind something or have them shine up on a wall or object so you're not seeing the exposed LED lights. So hiding this behind the back side of your desk will allow you to do this and create a more aesthetically pleasing look. Now, if you can't do that and you need to have your lights on show, I would recommend this next product from Govee. Now, I'm gonna have to turn my key light off to show you guys this light. So I'll turn that off and have a look at this. How cool is this light? Now, this product is a neon rope light. And as you can see, it is very, very cool. Now, the light is encased in this soft silicone flexible diffusion rubber casing. Now, this allows for your light to be on display, and because of the diffusion in the rubber, it creates an almost neon light look. Now, the rubber light is super flexible and can be twisted and bent to create loads of different shapes and looks. Now, Govee Light uses a cool innovation called RGB IC. Now, this allows the light rope to have multiple color options on a single light and really creates some dynamic looks and lighting. One of the things I like the most about the neon rope light is, because it's flexible, you can have it snake around objects, bookshelves, or even your computer monitor. It also has a bunch of pre-made animation looks so you can have a bit of a light show in your room or even create a neon art piece. Hey guys, it's Future Nick here. Now, I'm currently editing this video that you're watching. I wanted to interrupt just to say, if you haven't already hit that like button, I really appreciate if you did, because what it does is actually tells YouTube that this is a great video and other people should watch this video as well. So make sure you hit that like button before the end of the video. Thanks guys, and let's jump back into the edit. Moving on to our next bit of lighting tech, and it's what I like to call an accent light. Now, that basically means that they're meant to be mounted on a wall and really used as a statement piece in your room. So once again, we're looking at a bit of tech from Govee. Now, these lights are called Glide Hexa light panels. Now, these panels can be mounted on a flat wall or surface, and you can choose how you'd like them to be arranged. Now each hexagon panel light clicks together to create one large accent light. So I actually want to mount these lights in my space to my wall behind my computer monitor right there. So why don't we jump into that and I can show you how easy or how hard these lights are to set up. The first thing you'll need to do is work out what layout and shape we want these lights to be in. Now in the Govee app, it gives you a bunch of examples of layout templates that you can use. If you don't like any of them, you can create your very own layout option in the app as well. This helps you to know how to lay each light panel and connect them together in the right order. Once you've mounted all your lights, the app will quickly calibrate the light and you're ready to go. As you can see, the light really is a statement piece for your room, so I'm a big fan of this look. So this has just been a few LED lights that can help you transform your bedroom or studio space. Now, if you do want to check out any of the products I talked about in this video, I'll have the links to where you can purchase them in the description below. If you are keen to keep watching and learning a little bit more about smart LED lights, I have this great video right here. Well, thanks for watching. My name's Nick Gulliver. This is TechSpace, and I'll see you in the next video.